may I start the cross-referencing?
Yes, Mr. Jinnah, you may start.
Mr. Mountbatten is to be charged with the hostilities, Your Honor. He has been the enemy of Pakistan.
I made this bloody land with my own hand.
Order, order, order.
Sir, I present some witnesses against him. First, the Freedom Day was announced. Mountbatten, with delay of 8 months. It was decided to transfer the people to the new state as the army is sent to an enemy without any clues.
Can you produce any witness to prove it?
Yes, my lord. Sir Cyril Radcliffe bordered and designed the territories. He was forced to amend the borders. My lord, may I call Sir Cyril in the witness box?
Yes, you may call.
Sir Cyril, please come in the witness box. Sir Cyril, is it sure that the Radcliffe Commission give Gurdaspur to Pakistan?
Yes,
Why?
because of its Muslim majority himself.
Did Mountbatten himself issue these orders?
Yes, it was just an oral order. It was also ordered that Gurdaspur should be located in India.
So that the majority of the Muslims can be transferred to Pakistan empty-handed?
And then?
So Pakistan might be deprived of armed forces?
Yes, this is time.
Order, order, order.
Thank you, Sir Cyril. You may go. My lord, the issue of Kashmir is so.
My lord, in actual there is no Kashmir issue.
The world witnessed the 3 battles due to Kashmir issue, and it was your conspiracy.
My lord, I am not a culprit. Mr. Jinnah hates failure.
Okay, carry on.
He himself gave the option of affiliation of Maharaja of Kashmir. So he chose India as his ally.
My lord, he is right. But Maharaja was bound to append Kashmir with a 90% Muslim population with Pakistan.
No sir, it's not so.
My lord, I'm the guilty. I'm the guilty because I relied upon Maharaja and the British armament. I would like to call up to General Gracie in the witness box.
Yes, you may call.
Please, General Gracie, come in the witness box. General Gracie, were you the army chief in Pakistan?
Yes, sir.
Did you know that the Indian army was sent down to Kashmir under Mountbatten's order?
Yes, sir.
General Gracie, were you told by the government of Pakistan to continue defending Pakistan as an army chief?
Yes, this was order.
Did you defend?
No,
Why?
because.
Would you like to expose the reasons before the Majesty Court?
I am a British officer, and British also supporting India as well.
Then,
So how is it possible that the loyals of the king fight against each other? That's why I refuse to defend Pakistan.
but General Gracie, is it not rebellion?
It is a humiliating expression for Pakistan.
Thank you, General Gracie. It's enough. Now I have the last question for Mountbatten. Why did you not stop the bloodshed? Why did you stop the army?
As I have said you before, Mr. Jinnah, British army did not want to involve in Indian conflict. We wanted to loot with dignity.
To loot, exploit, cruel theft against others can only be respectful for looters. I wind up here, my lord.
The case is dismissed.